What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be going over the top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy in the month of February 2021. If you've been following the crypto market, I'm sure you've seen the crazy roller coaster we've been having the past couple of months. 10 to 20% swings in just a couple of hours, which is just crazy. But also good if you can market the time correctly and get in at a good price. These 5 cryptos I'm going to be talking about in this video are what I think will be the best upside in the upcoming month. I've done countless research on these coins and think these coins will have the best upside to grow. Be sure to watch the whole video through so you guys get the full understanding of why I chose these coins and why I think they have the most potential to grow. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, the coins I'm going to be covering in this video, some will be listed on Coinbase and some won't. I'll be sure to let you guys know as I'm talking about it. If you don't already know what Coinbase is, it's the #1 place where you can buy cryptocurrency. It's the safest and simplest way to get started. Plus, if you guys want to get started investing in crypto, I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below, where if you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you'll get $10 free for just using the link down below. I also made a video on how to start investing in crypto, which I'll leave down in the description box below. Before we get into the video, back in December, Guggenheim Partners Chief Investment Officer Scott Minerd recently said that his long-term Bitcoin price target is $400,000, which is absurd. Now, we don't know when or even if we could hit this price target, but it definitely got the bulls excited. So coming in at number 5 is going to be Binance token BNB. If you guys aren't familiar with Binance, it's one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world with over $52 billion in volume. They've done a great job marketing and getting new crypto investors onto their platform. When new investors come into crypto, they want to start investing into coins that aren't listed on Coinbase or Robinhood. They usually gravitate over to Binance because it has the largest volume for the coin, and many current crypto investors use it as well. The word just gets around saying, Binance is one of the best. With new investors coming into the Binance atmosphere, it's easier for them to buy the BNB token when making trades, causing the price to rise up. What makes the BNB token unique, well, not very unique because many coins in the crypto space do this as well, is that they burn their tokens. Pretty much, token burning refers to the permanent removal of existing cryptocurrency coins from circulation. Now, there are several reasons to burn tokens, but generally it's for deflationary purposes. Token burning, you can think of it like share buybacks in the stock market, which reduces the amount of stock available. Now, there are plenty of other reasons for token burning, but deflationary is one of the main purposes. With less supply of the coin in circulation, and with more and more coin burning every quarter, the price of BNB is likely to rise up. Binance Chain recently launched smart contract capabilities that allow decentralized finance or DeFi applications and cross-chain asset swaps to join. Now, this exchange has been really profitable since it launched, which was not too long ago. So looking at the price action for Binance BNB coin, currently the price is $37.98. Also, at the time of this recording, the whole market is down like 10 to 15%. So probably all the coins I'm showing you, they're going to be down a lot. So by the time I post this, if they are still down, this is a great opportunity to buy. For me, anytime the crypto market is down 10%, I always know this is a great opportunity to buy because you want to be buying when everyone is selling, and 10% is huge changes in prices for anything, honestly. Currently, the price is $38. It's hovering around that price. The market cap is $5.8 billion. The volume is $651 million. Now, if we look at the price action for the Binance coin, so back in November, the price was trading at around $27, $28, around $30, and then we saw a steady climb over the past couple of months. It's up at $40, then we saw a huge drop. Now the highest, I think it was at $44, and now obviously it's falling. If we look at the price of Binance ever since it was released back in 2017, we've seen a steady growth over the past couple of years. We saw a huge run up back here in 2019 of almost $34, and now we're currently at its all-time high, or were at its all-time high of around $42. So I really think Binance has huge potential to grow, and with it being one of the largest exchanges after Coinbase, where everybody goes to buy and sell or even trade cryptocurrency, and they're constantly adding more features. So I feel like BNB is a great token to hold, especially in the long term. A lot of people are going to be going into Binance, and if you can hold that one coin where everyone is buying it, and as I said previously, it's a deflationary token, they burn their tokens, this is a great token to hold for the long term. Also, this coin is not listed on Coinbase, so you would have to buy buy this on the Binance website, obviously. Coming in at number 4, we have Stellar, XRP. Stellar is a blockchain-based payment network that aims to provide a global, efficient system for digital asset issuance and exchange for individuals and institutions. Stellar has always been a stable coin, and its main competitor, Ripple, dealing with some lawsuit problems. This could be great news for Stellar for a quick price movement, and I believe Coinbase also halted trading for Ripple as well. With that, we might see a rise in the price for Stellar in the short term because many people are not able to buy Ripple on Coinbase, which is pretty much the largest exchange for buying cryptocurrency. So this is the price action for Stellar. It's currently trading at around 25 cents with a $5.3 billion market cap, $1.2 billion in volume. That's up 11%. This is also down 15% for today. If you look at the price for XLM for the past month, we can see that it's been trading around 13, 14, 15 cents. Then we saw a huge run in the price of almost 36 cents, and now we've slowly come down over here, and obviously we're down 15% today. But I really think this has huge growth potential in the upcoming year. And the people behind the project, they're constantly updating new features, adding new things. So I really do think Stellar has a very good potential to grow. Also, if you guys want, I forgot to mention, I'm using CoinMarketCap to look at the prices. Over here, what you can do is there's a white paper where you guys can read what the use cases for the coin is. Now, this can get very difficult. I personally don't even read a lot of the white papers myself because it can get very difficult to read. But if you guys want to know exactly the use cases and everything behind the coin, reading the white paper is a great way to know, like, literally the ins and outs of the coin. Coming in at number 3, we have Polkadot. Polkadot was co-founded by one of the founders of Ethereum, and Polkadot is fairly new, being released last year in 2020. Polkadot enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset, and not just any token. Polkadot is unique because it allows multiple different blockchains to go ahead and talk to one another. Polkadot, you can think of it like Ethereum. We are seeing a huge ecosystem grow on the Polkadot blockchain, and with plenty of new dApps being introduced on there as well, and plenty of new projects being implemented on the Polkadot blockchain as well. Looking at the price action for Polkadot, it's currently trading at $15.66 with a market cap of $14 billion and a volume of $5 billion. So obviously there's a lot of people trading this or buying and selling this. Let's look at the price of Polkadot over the past couple of months. So this is year to date. Back in August 2020 is when it was released. You have $4 to $5, $3, $4, $5 is hovering over here, and then slowly we saw this huge push of Polkadot with hitting its all-time high of almost $17. Now we're seeing a slow pullback over here. It's down 10% today as well, obviously. But Polkadot is one of those projects where I think will have huge potential coming in this year and with a lot of years coming in the future. It just has that very unique project that can help a lot of people. Now, if you guys are interested in Polkadot, this also isn't on Coinbase, so you would have to buy this on other exchanges. Binance, I'm pretty sure has it. I'm not 100% sure, but Polkadot is a huge up and coming coin that I'm picking up a lot of. If we look at the 1 month chart, we can see that we've seen a steady growth for Polkadot as well. We've seen a little dip over here, but so far it's been steady, and I really do think this is going to be a great project for 2021. Coming in at number 2 is Ethereum. I personally think Ethereum has a lot of room to grow. If we look at the price action for Ethereum, we've seen a tremendous rise in Ethereum's price in the past couple of months. With Ethereum and Bitcoin usually moving hand in hand, when Bitcoin was down a couple days ago, Ethereum was still up a couple percentage points, which shows that it is breaking out of the Bitcoin correlation. The biggest difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is that Bitcoin allows you to be your own bank, and Ethereum allows banking services to be built on top of it. We are also seeing a rise in DeFi projects and new projects constantly being implemented into the Ethereum blockchain. Looking at the price action for Ethereum, currently it's trading at $1,130. It's down almost 17%. Ethereum took a big hit today. If you guys bought this dip, great for you. I really do think it's a minor dip, but we'll see. You know, crypto is volatile. We'll never know. It has a market cap of $128 billion, $50 billion in volume. Now, if we look at the price for Ethereum, I know this is like, a top 3 coin, and everyone usually has this, but I really do think Ethereum has great potential potential to grow. Back in over here, we can see this is all time. Let me go into the past 3 months. Ethereum has been steadily growing. Like if you look at this 500, 600, then we saw a huge run up over here to $1,000. So the all-time high for Ethereum back in 2018 was 1178, and currently we're at 1131. So we're a little below, but the all-time high we already passed it was 1233. I think it also hit $1,300 on certain exchanges, but that's passing the all-time high, and we're literally just passing it now. If you look at Bitcoin, its all-time high was 20,000, and we went all the way up to 40,000, doubling its all-time high. So why won't Ethereum, double its all-time high, when Ethereum, I think, has a lot more use cases than Bitcoin? There's a lot of DeFi projects being built on it, and a lot of people using it. Now I understand the gas fees and everything can get high, and the transaction times can get very slow sometimes, but I feel like Ethereum has a lot of use case scenarios, more than what Bitcoin has, and this little price movement up here is, I think, minute. I think Ethereum can hit 10,000 by the end of 2021. Now this is just my opinions, but I've seen a lot of articles as well where it says if they have very, very bullish positions for Ethereum hitting 10,000 by the end of the year, and I personally really do think that's not out of the realm. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have Chainlink. I think this coin has some really great potential. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network. It allows smart contracts on Ethernet to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Now this is the price action for Chainlink, currently trading at $18.46, also down 15% in the double digits. Just horrible day today overall. Market cap 7.3 billion and volume 3.7 billion. If you look at the price of Chainlink, we've seen also a steady growth for this, where we actually hit its all-time high back a couple days ago of $23. Currently dollars at $18.46. Chainlink is also a very, very unique coin with an amazing project behind it, and I really do think this project has a lot of growth for the upside. And also Chainlink you should be able to buy on Coinbase. I'm not 100% sure because I don't buy it on there, but I feel like I've seen it on there, so don't quote me. But also in my previous video, Ethereum, obviously you can buy that on Coinbase, but Chainlink, yeah, I think you should be able to buy it. Also, if you guys want to read the white paper, you guys can read that here. But this is, I think, a very great coin in the future, and a lot of people are talking about this, and there's a lot of buzz behind, could Chainlink hit $100 or $1,000, or could it be the next Ethereum, where as long as they have a really good use case scenario. I know price and trading plays a lot of factor into it too, but having a built project and a team behind it that's constantly updating, it's very big in the crypto space, and with Chainlink we constantly see that. So Chainlink is by far a really great coin to hold for the year of 2021. With only being in the second month of 2021, I really do think 2021 is going to be a huge year for crypto, and I'm going to be paying very close attention to the markets and different projects being introduced. Also, the coins that I talked about in these videos, these are just my opinions and not financial advice. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys were able to learn something new. Like I said, if you guys are interested in buying crypto, use the link down below in the description box, and you guys can get $10 worth of Bitcoin free if you buy $100 worth. Remember, do your own research on crypto. It can be very volatile, but it can also make you a lot of money. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, like my video, and I'll see you in next week's video. Peace.